In this class, we will discuss how to write a condition-based means programming means the basic as a beginner. How to write if there any condition like a particular variable has means less than 25, then this particular thing will print. If greater than, then this particular thing should be print. So how to write this type of the thing that we will discuss. That is that you can say if and else type of the thing in the Python. Okay, so that we try to learn, and all this thing is useful when you do the some analytics part. Okay, so after completing this particular thing, we will start today only the pandas library, how to import the excel into the Python, and how to do the analytics, that we will discuss. Okay, so some basic is needed initially, so I try to cover if else, for loop and while loop quickly, then we go for the pandas library. And pandas library means we officially start our analytics part. Okay, so now okay, suppose assume that a is equal to 25. This is the integer variable. Okay, type with me. So a is equal to 25 means we know that a is the integer. If I type a, as we discuss in the type a, if I do, then it is an integer. Okay, now I want to do like that कि if a is greater than 15, then only a particular thing should be print. Okay, so what you need to write, simple, if a is greater than 15, then print anything you can. Just I want to print the number is greater than 15. The number is greater than 15. Okay, so when I run this particular thing, what will be the output will get? The number is greater than 15, because what I pass in the position of a, what is the a right now?
It's a integer.
It's a integer, and what is the value is 25, and 25 is greater than 15.
Yes.
So that's why I'm getting the output, the number is greater than 15. Are you able to understand? Okay, suppose if I pass here again, if I run a is equal to 10. Okay, if I pass a is equal to 10, and now what is the value of a?
10 less than 15.
Less than 15. Type a is integer. Okay, but what is the value of a? That is the less than 10, so that's why you will not get any output. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Okay, so what I will do in this case, okay, okay. Hmm. So now a is equal to 10, and that's why I'm not getting any output. Okay, so for that what I need to do, if is condition is there na, one more condition I write, else means if it is not greater than, then print means else, if this condition is not satisfied. Okay, this particular condition is not satisfied, then if a is greater than 15, no, there is no, it is not 15, right, less than 15, so it will not pass to this print. Okay, and once it is not passed, then it will pass to the else. Okay, and in else what I will, the number is less than 15. Okay, so now if I run this particular code, then you will get the output, and what will be the output? The number is less than 15. Okay, what we will do, suppose assume that there is the income related thing. I want to make one program. If income is greater than 70, then I will buy car. If an income is greater than 50, then I will buy phone. If income is less than, means greater than 20, then I will pay my rent, and else I won't able to do anything. Okay, so this type of the thing I want to put into the program. So how to do, first thing, I want to take this income from the user. Okay, means you will put a particular number, then I will give some output, means the system will give some output, right? So okay, so assume that first income I will write. What is the income? Income is equal to, and income should be entered by the user, right? So what I need to write, when you want income should be entered by user. Okay, so for user perspective, what I need to write, input, like that. income input. Input means I need to give some input. Means user need to give some input. Okay. If I run this particular thing, only one line, then what will be the output? I need to give some input. Okay. And if I put something 20, it will run 20. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Okay. So
और
now
और ये इनकम का जो हमने 20 दिया वो चेक करना है तो
20, I put a 20, that's
हाँ
why I get the output 20.
और नीचे के इसमें चेक करना है तो अगर
हाँ, you can
जैसे
check.
इसमें अपन ए
हाँ,
ए इक्वल्स टू डालते हैं
right income ना.
हाँ
Income is variable
ओके
20. Hmm? Okay. So, okay. Now, this is the, suppose if I run again and I want to put 20.9829 like that, this number, I will get output. Okay. But I want the user should put the income in the integer number. I don't want that miss points. Okay. So what I need to do, just write here int before that, this particular, and here input uh,
ब्रैकेट में नहीं लिखेंगे ना
hmm?
ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे इनपुट
In bracket you need to write. Means this particular thing is the input, right? Here, see, are you able to see?
Yes, sir.
This is the input from user. This particular thing is the one variable. Assume that, okay? And that particular variable I want to convert into the integer, and I want to put some condition. It will be always provided in integer. Okay, so that's why I need to write int. And now if I enter and run this particular code, so what I need to do, I need to pass integer only, then you will get the output 20. But if I pass 20 point, yeah, 37.87, then what will be the output? You will not get output because you will get output. No, actually it should, no, invalid literal for integer with the base of 10 means it is a invalid. Okay, it will show the value error because what actually we want actually integer, and if you provide the this is what we say this float type of the value, then it will not work. Okay, so what I need to do, okay, I want to means my user will enter float also. Okay, so I will give the float, and now if I enter 67.56, it will work. Now it will work. So again, one thing will become in your mind, why I need to write this int, float and all thing. So suppose assume that if I want to say user to you, okay, enter your salary, and if you enter your name, then it should show error, na?
Yes.
So that's why we need to put int, float like that. Okay. So now, okay, I rename it as a int. This first line, are you able to understand?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So now what is income? You have a income. Now if income income is greater than 70, if income is greater than 70, okay, and this is the one condition I written. After that you need to use this symbol double dot and now enter. If you enter, then the enter will become with the one space.
Yes.
Okay, and now write if income is greater than 70, then what I want to print, he is able to buy car. Okay, so what I will write here, print, or I just write I will able to buy a car. Okay, now the second condition I want to put, okay, my income is greater than 50, means greater than 70, then I will buy a car. Greater than 50, then he and that particular person should be able to buy a phone. Okay, so that I want to print. So how to write in that condition? You need to use ill if.
सर आपने I will I will able to buy a car. सर आपने वो बोला डिफाइन नहीं किया ना अगर इनकम ग्रेटर देन 7.
Second thing, ill if means income is greater than 15. So you need to write ill if means ill if, actually it is a ill if. Okay, so what is the thing? Income is greater than, if income is greater than 15, then I will able to buy a phone. Okay, So this is the one thing. And again, I want to put one more condition, right? So I will come here, ellip, and income.
सर तो else क्यों नहीं लिख सकते इसमें?
I will tell you. Okay, once this complete, now I will tell you. So ellip, income is greater than 20, then print. What we can write? Just tell me. I will write that particular.
I won't buy.
Uh, no, that less than 10 I want to put. I will enable something I write. Unable to pay my rent. Okay. And one more condition I will write. So after if all this condition is not satisfying, then I will go to the else. Okay. And I will just write there print. I will not or won't be able to buy. I want Apple to buy anything. Anything. Okay.
Sir, we have to mention that income is less than 10.
No. That I will explain. Just wait. So what is the thing is here? If I pass the income, suppose I pass 10,000. Okay. So how it will work? That I try to explain. If income you pass 10,000, what is the first point? Income means first line will run. Okay.
Yes.
Income you pass in the first line, that is the 10,000. Now it will go to the second line and check the condition. Income is greater than 70. That is not true, right? So it will not go inside this print. It will go to the ellip condition and again check income is greater than 50. No. So it will not run that particular line. It will go to the next. Income is greater than 20. No. Then it will go to the else. Okay, all the three condition is not satisfied. That's why it will go to the else and it will go give you the output. I want able to buy anything. Okay, so just I pass the 10 and see the output. Oh, okay, 1 minute. Why am not getting output? 1 minute, 1 minute. If the 10 is, I want able to buy anything.
Yes.
Okay, so are you able to understand how it is work?
Yes.
Okay, suppose instead of that, I will pass the 30. 30, then what will be the output? I unable to pay my rent, right? Okay, so first line will be run, means there I provide the 30. Now the second line of this program, income is greater than 70. No, it is not 70. So it will not print this particular thing, right? It will not goes inside this particular thing. Then it will go to the ellip, their income is greater than 50. No, so it will not run this particular thing. Then it will go to the greater than 20. Yes, it is greater than 20. So it will run this particular line and you will get the output. What is the output?
I will unable to pay my.
Okay, so like that it will work. Was the total price of the buying the product. Okay, so I just write the total price. Total price is equal to, and that is the
टोटल के बाद अपने वो
means you can't give the space in the variable, so that's why I use the underscore. Okay, so the total price, and I want this input from the user and from the that salesman, right? Okay, so now this is the input, but input should be integer. uh, that is the one condition I try to put. You can change integer to float and anything, okay, as per the requirement. So this is the one, that input I will take from the user and from the salesman, from the who is standing there to make a bill. Okay, so now the next point, if the total price, what is I just copy paste this particular thing, so I no need to type again. So this is the total price, right? If greater than equal to, greater than and equal to, so greater than equal to 20,000, assume that. Okay, suppose, so in that particular condition, the discount is equal to, what is the discount? The 20% I just want to give. Okay, the total price, I just write here the total price, and if I multiply this total price with 0.20, that is nothing but the discount, right? 20% means I need to multiply with 0.20.
Yes.
Okay, the next, in that condition, what I will write, the print discount will be, and just here put this discount. So this is the somehow you can say is dynamic programming, you can say, compared to previous one. Are you able to understand this three line?
Discount
So
will
I
be
guess
discount.
there's some error.
Hmm?
There's some error, I guess.
No, 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 don't run. I will tell when you need to learn. Means you need to
No,
run.
it's if I'm putting the input as a command.
So the first condition is greater than 20, then you will give the 20% discount, and if it is greater than 7,000, then you will give the discount is how much you will give the discount, 5%.
5%.
And if both the condition is not satisfied, then I will not give any discount. So is print, you can print won't be able to give any discount. Okay, so this is the program, and if I run this particular code, then let's see what will be the output. Okay, if I run this particular code, okay, I just try to run, and now if I put the value, how much value I put initially, just you suggest me how much I need to write.
Total, 10,000. No, no, total price is 20,000.
Mm-hmm.
So we'll input 20,000 amount.
The 22,000, if I purchase the grocery of 22,000, then see what will be the discount. Okay, so if I enter, the discount will be 4,400.
Yes.
Okay,
So इसमें greater than equal to का sign add करना रहेगा तो.
it is a greater than equal to only, na? Here. Greater than equal to, both the sign you need to use, and only greater if you want to take, then only greater I use in the 7,000, only greater.
Hmm.
If
Okay.
exact 7,000, then also I will not able to get any discount. See, so if I run this particular code again, and 7,000 exact, and now if I run, what will be the output? Won't able to give any discount.
Yes.
Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Because only greater than condition is there.
Hmm.
Okay, if I put here greater than equal to, then you will get the discount, 5% discount on 7,000. Okay, so if I run, and now here 7,000 and enter, the discount is 350 rupees.
Hmm.
Are you able to understand now?
Yes. सर ये कोड में अगर टोटल
Just wait. So see here the total price. Try to understand again. I quickly go through the total price. You need to means user will feed, or maybe the means that particular mall salesperson will put that particular thing. So if the price is greater than 20,000, then this particular means this particular line will run. If price is greater than 7,000, then this particular four line will run, and else this two line will run.
Okay.
Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes.
So if first condition satisfy, then this core will run, and automatically you will get out.
Hmm.
Another two will not check the program. Okay. So this type of the thing. If satisfy, then this four line will run. Else this two line will run, and you will get the output. So suppose again if I pass 22,000. Okay. 22,000 is more than 20,000. So discount will be 4,400, and actual amount you need to pay, that is the 1,700, means 17,600. That is the
Hmm.
thing. Okay, so coupon code. Okay, so
Hmm.
the coupon codes. Okay, I will write the coupon, just COUP, and I will take the input from user. Okay, this is the first line.
Yes.
Okay, now if the coupon is equal to. You need to write double equal to. Okay, single equal to use for the single equal to means when I write a is equal to 25 means it is used to feed 25 into that particular variable. And when you want to compare that time you need to use double equal to. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
So okay, the coupon is equal to and I just write the Rahul 5. Okay, Rahul 5 and R is capital. And now if this particular condition is satisfied, okay, satisfied, now what should be print you will able to get and you will get the discount. You will, okay, I just write you will get uh, discount
Will get discount
of 5%. Okay, so this is the print. Else print 1 minute. Else print what I will write. Kindly use valid coupon code. Kindly use valid coupon code. Coupon code. Okay, if I run pass that particular Rahul 5. If I pass Rahul 5, okay, and see what will be the output, you will get the discount 5%. Okay, I will pass, I will do some error. Suppose just wait, I run and I use the, instead of capital I use the Rahul 5 small bracket small r. Okay, and let's see it will run or not. Kindly use valid coupon code. Are you able to understand?